press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hello my dear children, how are you? I hope all are fine. Yes, today I am here with a new lesson. Okay, so other important cities. So in your social textbook, so lesson number 13, other important cities. Understood? So in this lesson we will learn about introduction and important cities. Important cities means those are Hyderabad, Bangalore and Jaipur, Chandigarh, Ahmedabad and Guwahati and Patna. Understood children? Yes. So first we will learn introduction. Understood children? Yes. Dear children, India is our country. Yes. So India is a diverse country. So India is a diverse country. How we can say diverse country? Yes, India is a big country with the large population. It means there are 29 states and 7 union territories. You know children? Yes, in that big country. So in our big country we can see a many variety of culture, tradition, food and language and festivals. Yes or no? Yes, so that's why India is a diverse country. So every state or city, it's their own unique speciality. Understood children? Yes, each and every culture, tradition, clothes, food habit, languages and also the festivals etc. Understood? Yes, and each and every city has come up from a person. Understood? Yes, come up from a person and it has its own history in development. Understood? So ಒಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲರಿಶ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಅದು ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸಿಟಿ ಸಿಚುವೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಯಾರಿಂದ, ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಯಾರ್ದು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a person. Understood? Yes, our country has been ruled many rulers and dynasties. For example, so Gupta dynasty, Chola dynasty, Chera dynasty, Vijayanagara empire. Understood? And also the so many rulers like Ashoka, Chandragupta Maurya, Immadi Pulakeshi and Krishnadevaraya. So many rulers and a dynasty ruled. So our country has been ruled so many dynasty and also the rulers. It means king or queens. Understood children? So in their life history, they have got popular by their ruling system. Understood? And also in other ways, for example constructing gardens, museums, monuments, lakes. Understood? Yes, thus by looking all these things we can get information about it. Understood children? So ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನೋಡಬೇಕು, ತಿಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಈ ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿನ ಓದಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಿಟೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ city or place have their its own history and this they have got their names. Understood? So ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಥಳಕ್ಕೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ನಗರಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರನ್ನ ಬೇಕು ಅಥವಾ ಹೆಸರು ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಅದರದೇ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ದೀಸ್ that places. Understood? Yes. Dear children, if we can see all these suddenly, no. So we will study about all these just by staying here from a lesson other important cities. Understood children? So this is a introduction. And come to the next important cities. Understood? So important cities means apart from the 4 metropolitan cities. You know children, our country also has a metropolitan cities. Understood? So here apart from the 4 metropolitan cities, 4 metropolitan cities. Metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, okay, and Kolkata, okay, and another one Chennai. Understood? Apart from the 4 metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Understood? So these all 4 metropolitan city where we can locate in our India map. Understood? So now I will show you. So dear children, you also practice this India map. Understood? Yes. Understood? Yes. This is a north and this is a south and this is east and this is west. Understood children? Yes. So these metropolitan cities, so we can locate in our India map the first metropolitan city, Delhi. So you know children, Delhi is the capital of India and also the national capital of India. Understood? The heart of India. Yes. So Delhi we can locate here. Understood children? Yes. And Mumbai, the gateway of India. So Mumbai, the capital of Maharashtra, we can locate here. So Mumbai. Understood children? Yes. And another one metropolitan city, Kolkata. So Kolkata, the city of joy. Understood? The city of joy. So West Bengal's capital, Kolkata is the West Bengal capital. We can locate here, Kolkata. Understood? Kolkata. And another one, Chennai. So Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, the city of temple. So we are given a nickname, city of temple. So where we can locate in our India map means here, Chennai. Understood? Yes. So these 4 metropolitan cities are located in our India map. Understood? And the other are important cities which have their importance and also the contribute to the development of our country. So here contribute means provide something, koduge. Understood? So contribute means provide something. Understood children? So here contribute means, so contribute means provide something. Understood? Provide something. Provide something. And what about the development? So development means a process of development, abhiruddhi. Understood? Yes. So these are the 4 metropolitan cities and also other are important cities which have their contributed and development to the development of our country. Understood children? Yes. And first let's start with the one of the important city, Hyderabad. Understood children? Yes. Hyderabad. So now I will start one of the important city in our India, Hyderabad, and also we can given one nickname, a city of pearls, a nickname, city of pearls. Understood? City of pearls. Pearls means here, pearls means abala. Understood? We are given one nickname, city of pearls. Understood, children? Yes. So where we can locate this Hyderabad? So ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೈದರಾಬಾದನ್ನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೌತ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್. Understood? South east part of in our country. Understood? So here Andhra Pradesh. So Hyderabad. So this Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, means Andhra Pradesh. Understood? Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Telangana means so Andhra Pradesh. Understood? So we can locate in our India map here east part of the, so it means a southeast part of the part of our country. Understood? Yes. So Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. The capital of Telangana. And also Hyderabad is the fifth largest city in our country. So Hyderabad is the fifth largest city. Understood? So Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana and it is the fifth largest city in our country, and it is divided into twin cities. Okay, so Hyderabad is it is divided into twin cities. So here twin cities. Okay, so twin cities. Yes, children. So twin cities, one is Hyderabad and second one is Sikandrabad. So Hyderabad is the part of this Hyderabad, a old city situated along the Musi river. Understood? So Musi river, along the Musi river. Understood? So one is Hyderabad, and the second one is Sikandrabad. Understood, children? Yes. So one is Hyderabad. This Hyderabad, the old city, is situated along the Musi river. Understood, children? And another one is Sikandrabad. Understood? And also one artificial lake also there. So that lake name Hussain Sagar. Understood, children? The artificial lake name Hussain Sagar. So that lake name Hussain Sagar. Understood? Yes. So this Hussain Sagar lake divided into two cities. One is Hyderabad and second one is Sikandrabad. Already I told now. Yes. This Hussain Sagar artificial lake divided into two cities, and also it's connected two cities. Which are the cities like means Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. Understood, children? Yes. This Hussain Sagar lake. So this Hussain Sagar lake is a heart-shaped lake in Hyderabad. Understood, children? And also it built by Ibrahim Quail Qutub Shahi in the year 1563. Understood? So, built by this lake, built by Ibrahim Quil Qutub Shahi. Understood? Yes. Under Shahi in the year 1563. Understood, children? Yes. So this is an artificial lake and it is a heart-shaped lake in Hyderabad. Understood, children? Yes, and also it's built by Ibrahim Quil Qutub Shahi. He was the Qutub Shahi dynasty ruler. When it is built means in the year 1563. Understood, children? And also Hyderabad people, Andhra people, almost Andhra people speak Telugu. Understood? The language Telugu. The language Telugu. Understood? So language Telugu and also Urdu and English also spoken here. So Urdu and English. Understood, children? And also English and Urdu also spoken here. Understood, children? And this Hyderabad was founded, the city was founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty. So the city was founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty. Understood, children? It's founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda. Understood? So Golconda of Golconda. Understood, children? Yes, this Hyderabad city was founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda, and this city was nearly 400 years old. So ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ಹಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 400 years. Understood? So this city was nearly 400 years old. Understood? So 400 years old. Yes, and also it is noted for its natural beauty. Understood? Natural beauty means it's like for example monuments and minarets, bazaars and bridges, a lake and hills, etc. Understood? Yes, and also one of the famous Charminar is also situated in Hyderabad. Understood, children? The famous Charminar. So here, dear children, Charminar means four pillars. Okay, the famous Charminar. Charminar, also situated in Hyderabad here, which means Charminar means 4 pillars. It built in year 1561. Okay, sorry, 1591. Understood? 1591. Understood? Yes, it's built by the Muhammad Quil Qutub Shahi. He was the ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty, 5th ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. Understood, children? Yes. And the next of the Charminar lies the Mecca Masjid. So another one important place in the Hyderabad, Mecca Masjid. Mecca Masjid. Understood? Mecca Masjid. So this mosque. So Mecca Masjid is a ಲೈಕ್ ಮಸೀದಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಫೇಮಸ್, ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಓಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಸ್ಕ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ world. Understood children? So Mecca Masjid also one of the famous mosque in the world. Understood? Yes, and it is located at the heart of Hyderabad. Understood? ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ನ ಸೆಂಟ್ರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲೊಕೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ Mecca Masjid is also one of the famous mosque in the world, and also it's located at the location at the heart of Hyderabad. Understood children? Yes. And also the Mecca Masjid, like Mecca Masjid, it has a main hall. So main hall, it is a main hall and also the capable of hosting 10,000 worshippers. Mosque means ಮಸೀದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಬ್ಬಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಈದ್ ಮೊಹರಂಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಸೀದಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅವರು ಪ್ರೇಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಮೆಕ್ಕಾ ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 10,000, ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 10,000. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? So that's why we are telling this is the largest and the oldest mosque in the world. Understood children? Yes, it is the main hall and also the capable of a hosting a 10,000 worshippers. Understood? And also it's constructed started under the Muhammad Quil Qutub Shahi, the year 1614. Understood? It's constructed started under the Muhammad Quil ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1614. ಅದು ಯಾರ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ. ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ. In the year 1914. Okay, however, but it is not completed until 1693. Until 1693 by ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್. ಇದು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು 1614 ಇದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ, ಸೊ ಅದು ಯಾರ ಅಂಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಕ್ವಿಲ್ ಕುತುಬ್ ಶಾಹಿ. ಬಟ್ ಹೌಎವರ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಟಿಲ್ 1693 by ಔರಂಗಜೇಬ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? Yes, so this is all about the Mecca Masjid. Understood? And other places we can see in the Hyderabad. So like Golconda Fort and Salarjung Museum and Nehru Zoological Park and also the public gardens and Birla Masjid. Understood children? So these afterwards we will I will give a brief explanation about these. Understood? It means ಚಾರ್ಮಿನಾರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮೆಕ್ಕಾ ಮಸ್ಜಿದ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ and Golconda Fort and Salarjung Museum and also the another one like Zoological Park, Nehru Zoological Park and public gardens and Birla Masjid. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನನ್ನು ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಎಸ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ textile and tobacco. So tobacco means here tambaku as a famous industries. So are the famous industries. Which are the main industries here? Like main industries like industries, so main industry here textiles industry, and second one is tobacco industries, and also this city was also known for software industry. Software means here computer operating. Yes, yes, this city was also known for software computers, and also this Hyderabad is very famous for Nirmal handicrafts. So Nirmal handicrafts anta helidre, handicrafts anta helidre it means like ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂಥ ಪೆಪ್ಪಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗೊಂಬೆಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕೆನಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್, and one of the another one handicraft center, Nirmal handicrafts. So dear children, here Nirmal is a district. Okay, so this is a district in Telangana. Understood? Where it will can locate means here Telangana. So here, so Telangana is the capital of Hyderabad. Okay, sorry, Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana. Understood? Yes. So this Nirmal district in the Telangana is in the Telangana, and also it's a center of the diverse things. It's like a canons and the toys. Understood, children? Yes, and also it is a famous for furnitures and lac bangles and patola sarees. So like a patola sarees also one of the kind of a saree. Patola sarees, and also the pearl jewelers. Understood, children? Yes, the textile and also tobacco are the famous industry, and this Hyderabad also known for a software industry, and Hyderabad is very famous for Nirmal handicrafts. Okay, and also the furniture and lac bangles. Lac bangles anta helidre ಗಾಜಿನ ಬಳೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಯಾರಿಸುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರಿ. ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅರಗಿನಿಂದ, ಅರಗು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಶೇಪಿಗೆ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪಟೋಲಾ sarees and also the pearl jewelers. Understood, children? Yes, so this is the main industries in the Hyderabad city. And this Hyderabad, the peoples are celebrated here the Indian festivals like Diwali, Moharram, Eid, Christmas, and also the another Ganesha Navaratri. Understood, children? Yes, so Hyderabad the people are celebrated here Indian festivals like those are Diwali, so main festivals here so here Diwali, Eid, Moharram, and Christmas, and Pongal, and Ganesha Navaratri, and we can also call Ganesha Chaturthi. Understood, children? Yes. Yes, these are the main festivals in the Hyderabad. So festivals are Diwali, Eid, Moharram, Christmas, and Pongal, and Ganesha Navaratri. Pongal is the festival where we are celebrating this Pongal. So it means Tamil Nadu, Chennai. Okay, harvest festival. Yes. Okay, so this is all about the important city, one of the important city, Hyderabad. Understood, children? Yes. So this Hyderabad is the capital of Telangana, and also it is the 5th largest city in our country, and also it is like a twin city. One is Hyderabad and also the Sikandrabad. and one artificial lake also there, that is a Hussain Sagar lake. It's divided into two cities, that is a Hyderabad and also the Sikandrabad, understood, and also it is connected to city. Yes, and also the Hyderabad was the city was founded by the Qutub Shahi dynasty of Golconda, understood, and also it is nearly 400 years old, and it's noted of its natural beauty. Okay, for example, monuments ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, minarets means like pillars, ಸ್ತಂಭಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಮಿನಾರೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಬಾಜಾರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಲೇಕ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಎಲ್ಲದರಿಂದನೂ ಈ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅದರ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು, ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಅದು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ಒನ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಚಾರ್ ಮಿನಾರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ is situated in Hyderabad, understood, and also the another one after the next Charminar lies the Mecca Masjid, understood. So Mecca Masjid also they are one of the famous masjid in the world, and other places are Golconda Fort and Salar Jung Museum and public gardens and Birla Mandir, and another one is a Nehru Zoological Park. Okay, so and another industries. So industries means in the Hyderabad industries are like textiles and tobacco, ತಂಬಾಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೊಬ್ಯಾಕೋ ಆರ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ನಿರ್ಮಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಿರ್ಮಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಿಕ್ರಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಸೊ ಹೈದರಾಬಾದ್ is famous for the Nirmal handicrafts, and also the some of the festivals are celebrated here. The main festivals, those are Diwali, Eid and Muharram and Christmas, Pongal and Ganesha Navaratri. So this Hyderabad we can locate in our India map here, understood. So this is Andhra Pradesh and southeast part of in our country, understood children. In the next class we will learn the important places of in the Hyderabad, understood children. Yes, thank you.